Today on SETC we have a Pokemon show for you, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the brand new Pokemon Sun and Moon 3DS games, the Ash Greninja EX box, and we're also going to open 2 packs of the brand new Pokemon Evolutions booster packs. So let's start with the fan edition version of Pokemon Sun. So included in this box is a steelbook. And on the back you can see some of the new Pokemon that you can collect. So here is the Pokemon Sun 3DS case. And we have the same artwork as on the external box. Inside we have our 3DS cartridge. And we have lots of leaflets. So we have a Nintendo eShop, which shows some of the demos that are available. If you have already installed the demo for Pokemon Sun and Moon, you will be able to transfer your Ash's Greninja into the Sun and Moon game. We also have a leaflet which shows the new Pokemon trading card game Sun and Moon expansion, which is coming soon. That looks awesome. And inside there's information on how to receive your special Munchlax, and this comes with a special item. So Munchlax is available until the 11th of January 2017. And we also have our fan edition steelbook, which looks awesome. So we have a huge picture of Solgaleo. And to the back we have the Sun logo, which is embossed. And inside we have some really nice artwork of the Alola region. So let's put our Pokemon Sun game inside our steelbook. Awesome! And as a pre-order bonus, we got these exclusive figures. So we received Solgaleo with the Pokemon Sun edition, which did come in a blind bag. But when they arrived this morning, little SETC wanted to see the figures before he went to school, so he actually opened these prior to us recording the video. But they do come in these really nice blind bags. Next, let's open a pack of Pokemon Evolutions cards. So in this pack we have a Switch Trainer card, a Blastoise Spirit Link Trainer card, Energy Retrieval Trainer card, Ghastly, Growlithe, a Steel Energy card, Staryu, Drowsy. We have a Doduo Reverse Shiny card. Awesome! We have a Dragonite EX card. That is so cool! Let's take a look at our version of Pokemon Moon. So to the back we have the same artwork as we do on Pokemon Sun. But to the front we have this awesome image of Lunala. So again, as with the Sun version, we have the same artwork on the DS box. Here is our Pokemon Moon 3DS cartridge, and we have all the same leaflets. So again, all the information to redeem your Munchlax. And here is our awesome fan edition steelbook. So we have the awesome image of Lunala, And to the back we have the Pokemon Moon logo, which is embossed. And again inside we have artwork from the Alola region. Again, as a pre-order bonus, we got this really cool Lunala figure, which comes on a blue base. And once again, the figure did come in this really cool blind bag. Let's open our second Evolutions booster pack. So in here we have a Devolution spray, Brock's Grit, a Slowbro Spirit Link, Charmander, Magnemite, a Water type energy card, Growlithe, Machop, a Dewgong Reverse Shiny card, and our rare card is Dugtrio. And finally we have the Ash Greninja EX box, which contains a never before seen promo card. And we also have 4 booster packs. So here we have our Ash Greninja EX promo card. We have our huge oversized promo card and our 4 booster packs. We have 2 Breakpoint, a Breakthrough and an Ancient Origins. Let's start with a Breakpoint pack. In here we have Electivire, Reverse Valley, Frogadier, Shelder, Chikorita, Froakie, Clefairy, Growlithe. We have a Reverse Shiny Drowsy, and our rare card is Seismitoad. Let's open another Breakpoint pack. So in this pack we have Reverse Valley, Frogadier, Cloyster, Froakie, Corsola, Drowsy, Petilil, Kricketot, a Reverse Shiny Seedot, and our rare card is Hypno. Next, let's open this Breakthrough pack. So in this pack we have Professor's Letter, Quilladin, Sandslash, Pikachu, Hoot Hoot, Remoraid, Teddiursa, Scatterbug, a Reverse Shiny Axew, and our rare is Chatot. Let's open our final booster pack. In here we have Sliggoo, a Special Energy card, Sableye, Cottony, Baltoy, Unown, Beldum, Goomy. We have a reverse shiny Ampharos Spirit Link card. And our rare card is Metagross. And there we have our Pokemon Sun and Moon Fan Edition 3DS games, the Ash Greninja EX box, and also our 2 Evolutions booster packs. Give us a big thumbs up if you like Pokemon, and pop a comment below letting us know which of the 3 new starters you'll be choosing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.